Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel KI Corners. Today we will be discussing about least square method. This is a part of time series. So today's we solve. It looks like the same problem like we discussed in early video. So just note it. Here. If we note here. So number of time periods here is even, and last video a number of time periods was odd. So how can we do? How can we deal it with this even number? You see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is six. Number of time periods is six. Six is even number. So in odd number, if suppose in number of time periods say odd, so then x is equal to capital X minus middle value, right? So now this only difference here. See, check it here. X is equal to X minus middle value divided by interval divided by 2. Just only difference. If your X number of observations or then just you do it only just X minus middle value. If number of observation, you like see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If observations even, then you have to do like this way. X minus middle value divide by interval over 2. Okay, what is the interval here? Interval, you see 1970, 97. Just only one difference, time period, in time period, 90, again 90, 1971, 1970, one difference. So this is time interval should be one here. Okay, so trend, equation of trend line, a linear trend, y is equal to a plus bx, and this y is this y is trend line, trend actually from trend line y. Actually this y is from observation. Okay, this y is taken from observation, this y taken from trend line. Okay, we won't draw diagrams, but anyway, this is trend line equation. Y is equal to a plus bx. This is like simply like point slope formula. It's not point slope. You say y is equal to mx plus c. M here is b and c is the intercept. So, and summation y is equal to na plus b summation x and summation xy, product of xy, and then we added all of values of xy is which is equal to a times summation x plus b times of summation xy. So in time series we need to make it 6 columns. You see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns, and you have to fill up. This is you see a question here is to fit a linear train to the following gate of cells of motorcycles of a factory. So it's a given, it's in question. So years, 1970, 1971, 1972, 1973, 1974, 1975. And cells is we represent, by Y. So, at 1970, sales was 5,000 units. Zero, this means 5,000 units. Okay, 1971 at 1971, 8,000. 1972 at 1972. 12,000, 1970. Similarly, here, so we do it, we add this value. So 5 plus 8 plus 12 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25, which is equal to, check it out, um, 85. Okay, where is my time stylus? Please come here, I need you. Okay, so we add up. So equal to 85. Okay, I think yellow color is not good. Okay, which color is okay? This color is okay. Oh, where is 85? Oh, I cannot see you, man. 85. Okay, some is 85. And what we will do for this x, so we have formula x is equal to capital X minus middle value. Okay, then interval over 2. So here x is 1970 and middle value. So what about the middle value? So how can we calculate it? Middle value is here, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 observations, 6 plus 1 and divide by 2. 6 plus 1 divided 2 means 7 over 2. 7 over 2 means 3.5. You know, this is a middle, you know, middle value. Okay. You can find middle value here. So here 3.5, 1, 2, 3. 3.5. So here middle. Middle should be between 1972 and 1973. So would be 1972.5. So we write here 1972.5. Okay, middle value should be like here 1972.5. Okay, so x is like you know, for first is 1970 minus 1972.5 divided by interval is 1. This is 1 or 2 in 0.5. So find. So let's see. I will find it's like, you know, 1970 1972.5. It means minus 2.5 divided by zero point 0.5. Okay, so we get it minus 5. Okay, so and I'll solve it directly. Okay, through my calculator. So you can solve by yourself by through your calculator, no issue. Now I'm solving. I'm going to quickly. So minus 5 and so minus 5 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1. So minus 1, or here you can you know, recheck you know, through your calculator. Okay, if I'm wrong, just let me know. Minus 1, and this is positive 1, and see here 3 should be next one is should be 5, supposed to 5. Okay, like see here 1 minus 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 5 plus 5, which should be equal to 0. Okay, right? So it's you know, enemy of plus 1 is a minus 1. Okay, enemy of plus is negative, so it's alternate. Okay, so this is 0, right? Yeah, this is, it seems like O. Let me check. Yeah, it's 0. Okay, so now for y is, you know, this is y. So this column, oh, so wrong. Okay, okay. This one, I should delete this one. Okay, this column should be deleted. So sorry, it's right again. So just only you needed to draw 5 columns. Sorry, not 6 columns, 5 columns. So, okay, so your product XY. And just 6 column, you can draw just for trend line in a Y bar. Actually, uh, if you you know, in this question we are not asked to do find Y cap. Okay, but anyway, so you can draw, you can find Y cap, but and last, not here. Okay, this should be here, right? Okay, anyway, just you draw it 5 columns unless you are not asked to find the value of trend lines. Okay, XY. Okay, product of XY is, you know, minus 5 into 5 minus 25. So minus 25. Okay, minus 25, 9. You know, not 9. So minus 24, minus 24. Minus 25, minus 24. Minus 12, 12 into minus 1 is minus 12. Okay, just like quick, I'm doing quickly, so trying quickly. Okay, 20 times 3 is 60. So 25 5 is 125. Okay, okay, this one is, if we do add this value, so we get 139. Okay, so by the way, what about x squares? Just only minus 5, square of minus 5 is 25. So 25, and square of minus 3 is 9. And what minus 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. Square of 3 is 9. Or square of 5 is 25. Okay, so just find, we add up. Okay, this value. So you find how much? 17. Okay, 170. So we have x summation x. This summation x. This is summation x. This is summation y. This is summation xy. This is summation x square. Okay, you plug in here in his equations. So, summation x is equal to 0, see here. Okay, then summation x is 0. So this one is 0, this one is 0. So no need to put up here. We cannot actually, b is a constraint, and a is also constraint. Okay, so summation y is equal to na. Summation y was 85. 85 is equal to n is 6 here, 6a. So a is equal to here, a is equal to summation y or n. Summation y was 85 here, you see. Summation summation y is 85 over 6. 85 over 6 is 14.2. A value of a is 14.2. Okay, so this is first, constraint, and for second constraint, we find from here, b is equal to summation xy, summation x y divided by summation x squared. So summation xy 139, value of summation x squared 70. Okay, we plug in here, we put up here, so we can find the value of b after plugging. 139 139 divided by summation x squared. Summation x squared is 70. So we get, b is equal to 1, 1.99. So you are asked, you find the trend line equation. Okay, so trend line equation is y is equal to a plus bx. So y is equal to, this is trend line equation, a plus bx. A is here, 14.2 plus b is 1.99 x. Okay, so if you ask trend values, so just see here, just plug in here, just you plug a -5, -3, -1, +1, +3, +5 here, and then you find different y cap here. Okay, so now I'm going to end my topic. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to share with your colleagues. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.